traditions and language are the most valuable things that a people has. Traditions define ethnicity. Kazakhs preserve many traditions and ceremonies, which are necessary to be protected and saved. In this article, we present only a few of them. Tusao-keser, cutting of ropes. This ceremony is held when a baby makes his first steps. His feet are tied with a thin, motley lace, which is trusted to be cut by a very experienced person having many children. The ceremony is accompanied with songs and wishes to the baby to firmly stand on his feet, confidently walk on his life. In former times, after Tusao-keser, the baby was given a horse and a saddle. The motley lace means that life has not only white stripes, but also black ones. A future Jigit has to be able to overcome difficulties. Ashamaiga Mingizu. This festive ceremony with huge educational value has a great influence on the development of children. A little Jigit of 6-7 years of age is presented with a horse, is solemnly given a whip, and is put on the tamed saddled horse. It is explained to the child that he has become a Jigit. Ashamaiga Mingizu is one of sure methods of upbringing and the national peculiarity of our people. In such a solemn moment, the child's grandfather blesses his grandson, and grandmother happily showers him with sheshu. Children organize baiga in their own way, then adults organize a little toy. Altibakan. Altibakan is a national game, youth entertainment. In the evening, all youths of Aul, Jigits and girls, construct Altibakan, swings, Alti-6, Bakan, a stick, outside the Aul. The game has a huge meaning in cognition of art, views of the youth, their relationships. Parents look with indignation at various amusements of youths, but they don't have a right to forbid them going to Altibakan, especially girls. Here, young people sing songs, play different games, and this fun continues until midnight. Altibakan is a sort of leisure entertainment. Bes-jaksi, 5 valuable things. As it sounds in the name of this tradition, Bes-jaksi were given to the most respected Bayes and Mirzas, Batirs, Beys, respected people as a sign of honor, respect, friendship. Bes-jaksi is the sign of the highest respect. Bes-jaksi includes 1. Camel, Karanar, 2. Fleet-footed horse, Jurik At, 3. Expensive carpet, Persian, Kalim Kilem, 4. Diamond saber, Almas Kilish, 5. Sable fur coat, Bulgin Ishik. Between in-laws, one of the things is changed for saukere, embroidered with precious stones and jewelries, bride's headwear. This tradition defines such qualities as wealth, as well as raises honor of the two parties. One thing of Bes-jaksi values 4-5 horses. Joktau. The saddest custom is the mourning song for the dead. With the mourning song, Kazakhs pay last tribute to the dead. Joktau sings about unspeakable grief, about befallen misfortune, about irreplaceable loss. Good deeds of the dead are remembered. Joktau is written by akins or the mother and sisters of the dead. Joktau is not a religious but a national ritual tradition, which teaches to value a person and remember him. Joktau continues for a year. In the oral works of folk art, and now also in the written ones, there are many samples of Joktau. Kind words, praise, story about the life of the dead. All of this builds beautiful and skillfully composed poem of Joktau. Joktau was sung by the wife, sisters, daughters, and other close ones of the dead, women. Every self-respecting citizen is simply obliged to pass the legacy of their people to younger generations in all its significance.